So at the Tennessee Welcome Center, we're going to Bristol. State line is right down the middle of town. Half of Bristol's in Tennessee, half is in Virginia. Staying at the Sessions Hotel, which is a small boutique hotel that's part of the Marriott chain. Bristol is known for NASCAR, but it's also the birthplace of country music. So Sessions Hotel is named to commemorate the early sessions of country music that took place right here in Bristol. Boutique hotels are designed to be unique. The buildings here are 100 years old, and inside is supposed to be decorated for all about music, going back to the early days of country music recording. This hotel should be really cool. Hi.
Got reservations for Craig?
Yeah, driver's license. If you need your room clean, trash taken out, fresh towels, linen changed, anything like that, please call down in the morning time. Otherwise, housekeeping will not go in your room. We are not allowed to go in rooms due to everything that's going on right now. Please, please, please call down in the morning time.
Now that we have the lights on, I can show you the room. The Sessions Hotel in Bristol is a boutique hotel in a restored building. There's actually a couple of different buildings on the property. It's a Marriott, and I'm going to show you the room now. It is so cute. How does the chair sit, John? Is it comfortable?
Yeah, the chair sits well. Got good support. I like it.
Now, what kind of room did you book us?
A queen size room.
Queen size room. And look above. Let's see, I guess that's RCA with Victor. Is that Victor?
That's Victor.
Yay, I got it right. Decoration on the wall. It's guitar parts. That's pretty fitting for the hotel. here is another cabinet with a tray area on top. This has got, there's the Keurig machine and a refrigerator. No microwave though. And ice and everything, that's all downstairs, as we said, because of COVID. And there's no ice bucket in the room either. The ice bucket, that's downstairs too, so you gotta go get it all. So over here we have, welcome to the Sessions Hotel. And a large screen TV. They don't have a desk, but they do have a little table that goes over the armchair over here where hubby is. And there you are again. Hi, hubby.
Hello. You get the lights?
The lights, thank you for hubby's reminding me to get the lights. These are microphone casings that have been turned into lights. How cute. A piece of sheet music. Here they're explaining what they have downstairs. And it says that the stagehands will deliver the items upon our request during the stay, but they will not. The front desk clerk plainly said repeatedly, they will not bring anything to the room. Anything like this that we want, we have to go down and get it. The restaurant won't even deliver to the room. It's takeout only. It's in the next building. Okay, so the radio, it's like an old Victrola clock. Haven't seen anything like that in forever. Have you? Let me know in the comments. Now I have to show you the bathroom. Normally I don't do bathrooms, but this one's really cute. Let's see. Cute little tile floor. They do have some shampoo and stuff, which is good. And the rain shower head. Towel setup, soap and lotion. Anyhow, I just thought this was cute. We're going down to get our stuff. I'm gonna put some photos of the room right here. Like it? Tell me down in the comments. And remember, we are always about hashtag be Bodacious, which means you're not going to let life get in the way of living. We're going to go drive around. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and we are going to see you on the next video.